Welcome to this short video explaining how to set up your new SpanSet slackline. All of the components for the slackline are pre-assembled and permanently attached, making it easy to set up without the worries of losing anything or threading anything the wrong way. First, remove the sling that is attached to the main ratchet from the protective bag, making sure it's all nice and neat. Then pass the purple sling around a suitable anchor, like a tree. Note the height, as you will want to have it the same height on both sides. When you have passed the sling around the tree, you can clip the attached connector back onto the bar on the rear of the ratchet. Then remove the other sling and the coil of yellow webbing from the bag and measure the yellow webbing out to wherever your other anchor is. When you have it the correct length, take the rest of the yellow coil back to the ratchet. Then grab the other purple sling that is attached to the end of the yellow webbing and pull the yellow webbing through the main ratchet device over to your other anchor. When pulling the yellow webbing through, make sure you're not putting any twists into the system. Again, pass the purple sling around your tree or anchor, keeping the webbing neat, and clip the inbuilt connector back to the blue master ring. You can then pull any excess webbing through the ratchet and pull it tight by hand. To reduce the chance of webbing getting tangled inside the ratchet, hold the slack end of the webbing flat with the main section with one hand and then crank the ratchet with the other. If the webbing does not feed onto the spindle and snags itself on one side, it will be necessary to release the tension off the system and retension correctly. The ratchet can be worked backwards, removing the tension slowly. To do this, hold the trigger on the handle and spin it over so the notches hit the catches and then work them backwards. When you have realigned the webbing, retension. Tension to a suitable amount. When tensioned, place the ratchet handle back into its lock or storage position by pulling the trigger on the handle and folding it closed. You can then place the spare yellow webbing back into the bag and fold the flap of the bag over the ratchet to store it. To release the tension from the system, hold the slack and tension sections of webbing together with one hand, and with the other hand, pull and hold the trigger on the handle and pull it all the way back till the ratchet releases tension. The ratchet can be locked in this open position to aid pulling the slack webbing in and out of the device. When putting the slackline away, check all components and store away in the protective bag.